Unraveling the language, base words and context clues. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode in our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to identify base words in a prefix or suffix context using context clues. Understanding these strategies can significantly enhance your English comprehension skills. So, without further ado, let's get started. Base words, also known as root words, are words to which prefixes and suffixes are added to change their meaning or function. Examples of base words include play, happy, and work. In these examples, we can add prefixes and suffixes to create new words like replay, unhappy, and working. Identifying base words is a critical part of mastering English vocabulary. So what are context clues? Well, context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book, sentence, paragraph, or even a picture. When we encounter a word we're unfamiliar with, we don't always have a dictionary at our disposal. This is when context clues come to the rescue. They're a useful tool for figuring out the meaning of the word or, in our case, identifying the base word. There are several types of context clues you may encounter: definitions, examples, synonyms, antonyms, and inferences. All these can help you determine the base word in a prefix or suffix context. Let's take a brief look at each type. 1. Definition. The writer provides a direct definition of the word within the text. 2. Examples or illustrations. The writer provides examples that illustrate the meaning of the word. 3. Synonyms and antonyms. The writer uses similar or opposite words in close proximity to the unfamiliar word. 4. Inferences. The writer gives enough context, and you infer the meaning based on the surrounding information. Now, how can we use these context clues to identify base words? Here are some strategies. 1. Look for clues in the same sentence. If the word with a prefix or suffix appears in a sentence, often the rest of the sentence or a nearby sentence will provide clues to the base word. 2. Identify the prefix or suffix. If you recognize a prefix or suffix in the word, it can often give you a clue about the base word's meaning. Knowing common prefixes and suffixes can be really helpful here. 3. Use related words. If you see a word that looks like a word you know, it can be a clue to the base word. Remember, practice is key. The more you expose yourself to different texts and contexts, the more comfortable you'll become at using these strategies. Well, that's it for today's video, folks. We've learned how to identify base words using context clues. Remember, don't get discouraged if it seems difficult at first. With practice, you'll be a whiz at using context clues to unravel the mysteries of English vocabulary. Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. See you in our next video. Happy learning!